Hello, welcome to the video. In this video I'm going to be explaining some of the human waste products and the effects we have on the environment and some of the potential problems with this. So, as you probably know, the global population is increasing. Now this puts extra demand on our need for land and resources, and because of this it can have a lot of negative impacts on the environment, and we release a lot of potentially harmful waste products. Now some of the waste products we release could be sewage, fertilisers and toxic chemicals. Now these have a particularly bad effect on water. So these have a particularly bad effect on our water supply. Now for example, if fertiliser gets into the water, that can cause algae to grow very quickly. Now that algae grows on the top of the water and it blocks light. So light can't get into that lake or pond. Now if the light's blocked, that means the plants in the water are going to die. So the plants that are growing underwater will die, and then they'll be broken down by bacteria, which will release carbon dioxide, and in the end the fish will die as well because they have no food because the plants have died. So just releasing fertiliser into water can have a catastrophic effect on that environment. Another effect could be smoke and sulfur dioxide released from things like cars, planes, machinery. All these things release smoke and sulfur dioxide, as well as factories, and they have a bad effect on the air, potentially leading to acid rain. Okay? Finally, the effect we could have on the land is down to the release of pesticides and herbicides. Now what could happen is, if we spray a crop with a pesticide, insects might eat it and then they'll die, but they could be eaten by other animals in the food chain, and as they eat them, that pesticide could be passed up through the food chain and damage and kill other organisms. Finally, we need a lot of land. Obviously, if we're making new buildings and need more space for humans, we need land for quarrying, building, farming and like waste landfill sites. So these are other impacts we're having on the environment. So humans need to be very careful, and they may give you information and ask you to evaluate it in the exam. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter at Rushcliffe. Thank you.